Alright, just look at this insane modern landing page design. The scroll-driven cinematic animation, the magical black background, the ice breaking mid-air and crashing into the cold coffee make the whole experience feel premium and futuristic. And those smooth animation cards, they instantly make the website feel high-end and expensive. This is the kind of web design that grabs attention, increases user engagement and massively boosts your chances of earning more by selling premium website to clients. And in this video, I am going to tell you step-by-step process to create such kind of cool animated web application landing page for your clients to earn more, that too with AI only. Alright, so the most important and most engagement part of this web application landing page is this ice breaking, which is then falling into a coffee mug, and the text is also visible when you are just scrolling down. And the most important part is when you are going to scroll up, the things are reversing. So it is scroll driven, not autoplay. So here we are focusing on creating such kind of cool animation background video that you can use in your web application landing pages. So for that we need to create images for different instances for this background video. Like we need to create image for this ice, then image breaking, then the image of this coffee mug and the ice is falling into a coffee mug, and then we need to convert those images into a video. So let's start with the process. Alright, so I have already created the prompt to generate the images for the 5 different instances of the video. For example, for phase 1 I am going to just showing the ice cube. For phase 2 I am showing the ice cube is bursting. Then I am going to show the ice cube is falling into a cold coffee. Then cinematic action happening, and at last final premium hero shot is there. Alright, so these are 5 prompts that I'll be using to generate images, and the tool I'm going to generate image is ChatGPT image 2. So for that I'll just create this prompt 1 and paste it in ChatGPT and write in last generate the image, and it generated an image of ice cube. Then just give second prompt and hit enter and wait to generate the second image, and that's how it generated the second image as well. Now you can go to the doc and copy the prompts for the next images like phase 3, phase 4 and phase 5 and generate the images as well. Since I have already generated all these images, now I am going to the second step to convert these images into the video. Before going ahead, I'll also tell you how did I created these prompts to create these images and the master prompt. So stay tuned till the end of the video. For converting images to video, I am using Helio AI. You can use any free AI tool which can convert images to video, that will work. So here we need to create clips like from the first frame and the second frame. So here I am in the first frame of the ice cube and the end frame when the ice is breaking. Using Seedance 2.2 fast model, and we need to give a prompt here as well. Animate the ice to break in pieces. Let's create. So it has generated the video. Let's play the video. And yeah, ice is breaking and it's pretty cool effect. Now we will create the second clip from breaking ice to falling ice cube in the coffee. To create this video, I give breaking ice image as the initial image and the ice falling into the coffee is the final image. And let's play the video. With the same method, I have generated all the required videos. Now we need to convert these video clips into a fully complete one video so that we can use it into a background video. To do this, we can use any editing software. I am going to use Filmora because I use it. So let's go there. Alright, in Filmora I imported all the video clips and I just pasted all the video clips side by side, and let's play. Isn't it the same video that we have seen in the background, right? So I'm going to just export it, save it. Talk business now. We are not here to generate images and convert those images into the videos. We are here to convert those images and videos into a good animated landing page. For that we'll be using some tools. For example, we'll be using Visual Studio Code, we'll be using Cloud Code, and let's see how we are going to do this. If you are not aware of Visual Studio Code, just type here Visual Studio Code, download, and here it will redirect you. Then you can download it from here. And now let's go to VSC in your system. Here in Visual Studio Code, I created a folder in the desktop, say coffee shop, and I opened it in Visual Studio Code. Now our second point is to install Claude Code extension in VSC. For that we'll go to this point, click here and search Claude Code. While searching Claude Code, you will see this extension Claude Code for VSC. Just click on this and here you will see the option to install. Just click on that and the Claude Code extension is installed. If this extension is not available here, you can go to Google Chrome and search for code extension for VSC, and you can download that extension and use in VSC from there as well. Now let's go to the folders, and to use Claude Code you need to click on this section, this part actually, new session. On new session you will see this kind of platform will be opening. Now we need a prompt to create a fully functional landing page. So for that we'll go into docs again, and here in docs you will see there is a master prompt to generate landing page. We'll just copy all the prompt here, alright, and just paste. We have pasted the prompt. To just change the video from there, for that we'll just go to the Explorer once again and going to desktop. Now we are on Claude Code again. Thing when we are saying which video we are using for the background, we just need to mention it with this @ sign, like we have to just add it, and then it will show all the assets which are already here in the Explorer file. Explorer side, you can just select your video or whatever assets you are using and just click on generate. Take some time, somewhere around 10 to 15 minutes, and then your web application landing page would be ready. So let it do its work. Right, it took some time, and here we can see it has created some CSS files, some JS files, some index files, the prompts that we have given, and the videos that we have given as a prompt. It is working on localhost 3000, so we can click on localhost 3000, and also it has created this Obsidian. Click on this, and here we can see the preview. In preview we can see it has created exactly like the we have created in the beginning, we have seen in the beginning, but this is actually in a different format. So we need to just go to localhost 3000 on the Chrome. Now let's go to localhost 3000. Bigger screen, we can see it is working pretty well. The cinematic effects are really good, and actually this kind of good animated modern design web application page are in demand, right? Also these cards are looking pretty well, like when we are hovering on the cards it is going pretty good. And this actually, you can see the cursor, it is actually dropping some drops of coffee, looks like it is a coffee shop, and the name of coffee shop is Sip It Off. It's pretty cool. This is about creating a landing page. I have created this application using VSC, so we can just push it to a GitHub repository. So let's do that. I don't know how will it work, but I'll just give a voice command to it, and I'll say all the files, all the required data that I have worked in this project into a GitHub repository. It asked me to create a repository. I created a repository on my GitHub account with a name coffee shop, and it has just pushed everything on that repository. Now let's go to that part, clicking on the file, and here we can see every file is here in the repository called coffee shop. Now everything, every code, every file is there on this GitHub repository. Now you can just go live. You can deploy this on Versa, you can deploy this on any other tool that you're looking for, like Google, AWS, anywhere, and boom, your site will be live. This is how you can count yourself different from all others who are making simple web application landing page, and you'll be creating such kind of cool animated web application landing page which are scroll driven. When scroll is going up, the video goes forward. When scroll is going down, the video goes reverse. If you're thinking how did I create such prompt, because prompt is the important thing to create such application, generate image, for that I use ChatGPT. I use simple English with some typing errors to explain to ChatGPT what I was looking for. I said create a prompt for video in black background, only in 5 faces of ice cube falling into coffee, and I explained what are the faces I was looking for, and then it just gave me 5 prompts. Here you can see IQ falling from cloud, it moving towards the glass, burst it, and all other things, right? Here are the prompts. So I created the prompts using ChatGPT only. If you're looking for how did I create this master prompt, for that I also use ChatGPT. I explained my thing to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gave this prompt to me. I just copied all this thing. Actually the prompt did not work alone with me. I just gave few more prompts, because when I gave the prompt to the Visual Studio Code, the Claude Code, there were some errors. To handle those errors, I ran these prompts. I just gave the errors to Claude Code and just fixed it. That's how that web application page worked. Fill these prompts in the comment section. You just like the video, hit the bell button, and do not forget to subscribe the video, because I'm going to create few more videos on such beautiful topics. Just need your support. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.